just not returning need to worry about. Attention all skippers.
We look that we are clear. Pick your favorite train and make it back to the next people. Goodbye, guys. You will never, ever see them again. Then again, you never saw them before, so I guess it doesn't matter, right? I would like to welcome you to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper George. You can also call me George of the Jungle, George of the Jungle Cruise. I promise I won't crash into a tree. That happened last time. Learn my lesson. And we're gonna start our journey here in the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days of the year. If my math doesn't fail me, that would be almost every day, except today. But one thing I know for sure about the Amazon River is that it has a lot of water. And most of that water comes from waterfalls just like this one. This is Inspiration Falls. And you may wonder, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, the longer you look at it, the longer you will be inspired to go deeper and deeper and deeper into the jungle. And as we go around the river bend, we're gonna enter the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Do we have any Jungle Book fans on board? Raise your hand if you like the Jungle Book. Well, I'll present you the Jungle Book in 3D, just here at Disney Plus. And I hope you brought your dancing shoes because we're just gonna party right here at shore. I have a surprise party and where's everybody? I thought there was a party over here. I don't see them. Can you? Well, they probably got scared. We're just gonna continue just in case. Hopefully the scary thing is long gone. Hopefully, and oh my god, that's a danger noodle, also known as a python. They can grow up to 32 feet in length and swallow a whole child. Scary, right? We're just gonna pick up some supplies over here and oh my god. Guys, I told you to paint my Jeep red, not blue. Well, at least I got it to turn over. A win is a win, right? And now we're gonna enter the Nile River. The longest river of the world. It goes for 4,000 miles. You can say it goes for Niles and Niles and Niles. If you don't believe me, you're in. Disbelief. But I like that way better. Over here we're gonna see some African elephants. They're really nice. This one I taught her a trick. Look, speak. You can do it, don't be nervous. Come on girl, you can do it louder. Yes! We practiced all day yesterday. And now we're entering the African belt. Home of some of my favorite animals. We can see the black and white horses, the 1977 Chevy Impalas, the long-necked cheetahs. And over here we're gonna see the mighty lions. They're really nice. They usually buy the one lucky animal to come over and play. That Sierra looks dead. Dead tired for playing all day long. She's just having a nap. I promise. And over here we're gonna see the Jungle Cruise band. They came out. They came out looking for a drum. I guess they found a horn instead. Stanley. They always mess around with the African unicorn. I don't know what to tell them every time. And now we can get to talk about one of my favorite things, plants. Do you know what's the scariest plant of all? I'll tell you. Scariest plant of all is the bamboo. Get it? Bamboo? Don't worry, the jokes get better. And over here we're gonna see a beautiful Schweitzer Falls, but we're gonna take a ride. We don't wanna go one today, it's too cold. Lead to the ride. Is everybody dry? It's okay? Yes. That usually never happens. People ask me all the time how did I got this job. Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course. Do you know what's the hardest part of flying an airplane? The ground. And now we're entering the hippo territory, so please remain very still. These animals can be really territorial. They can attack at any second. I hope nobody has any marbles on them. They can be really hungry for those. Shoot! I don't have any marbles, stay down! And now we're gonna enter the headhunter territory. A terrible place to be headed. Hello? That's my last crew over there. They didn't laugh. You guys are safe though. We're gonna keep that mask on all times, please. We're gonna keep that mask on. Keep the... Thank you. We're just gonna continue our tour, guys. And oh my god, everybody, get down, get down, get down! If you gotta be a free trip back, but now thank God they have the anal stormtroopers, we're fine. And now, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The amazing Nicolasco, the Black Ceremony! O2H. It's okay, people usually don't like my chemistry jokes. That's why you sell it periodically. And now we're entering the Mekong River, deep inside the heart of Cambodia. I see a scary temple ahead. It's making me nervous. Do you guys want to go in? Perfect. Keep your eyes open for any danger ahead. I'll close mine. Look, it's bigger. No worries, there's no reason to be embarrassed. Everybody has their trunks on, it's okay. And over here we have little Bertha. She's a bride-to-be. She's having a bridal shower. And you may think these are bull elephants, but I would say they're more like bully elephants because these two are such shoe water at me and my crew. Bob, stay down, man. Bob, you're supposed to be the good one. Bob, don't do it. These are nice people. It's too cold. Frank. He's the bad one. He's the bad one. Frank, don't do it, Frank. Frank, these are nice people. Actually, do it. Just kidding, you won. You may think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. And no jungle cruise will be complete without a visit to the gift shop. Over here we're gonna see my friend Trader Sam. He's our head salesman. He currently has a special. 2 heads of his for one of yours. He's like Senator Jackson. You always come up ahead. Hi, Sam. And now we're approaching the most terrifying part of our trip. Return to civilization. So please remain seated at all times. Keep those hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat as we approach dock. We got a hold signal. That means we have to wait for a little bit. For now, I would like to take this time to thank some of our amazing sponsors, like Cannibal Cafe, for thinking about new and exciting ways to serve you. I also would like to thank Animal Crackers for teaching children that all animals taste good. While we wait, would you like to hear a quick fun fact? Totally real, I didn't make this up. Did you know, first, I want to ask a quick question. Do you guys like Star Wars? I think she does, but I'm not sure. So, did you know that George Lucas just revealed after 40 years Yoda's last name? Do you know what Yoda's last name is? I'll tell you. It's a Lehihu. So make it Yoda Lehihu. It's totally real. I didn't make this up. I swear. Just kidding. It's a jungle swear. You want to hear another one? Also not made up. For real. Did you know that when the Magic Kingdom opened in 1971, it was originally named the Magic Kingdom? And we like it so much it's saying. I tried, but this hand, I had the mic. I couldn't do the just, not the second just. No way. You want to hear a quick joke? This is actually a joke. The first joke of all tour. Everything else was real. Do you know why Cinderella's so bad at soccer? She's always running away from the ball. Yeah. You want to hear another one? This one's maybe good. I cannot make any guarantees. What's a pirate's favorite letter? You're wrong.
C.
It's a C, exactly, yes!
Pirates actually likes to know that.
Yeah. I thought I got you, but you got me. That's good. And we're clear to go to the dock, guys. Oh, you know what this means? That means that we can, yes, and also we can ride 2 more cars! Yay! Just kidding, I wouldn't do that to you guys. It's okay. That means we get to go. Dock 2 means twice the fun, and twice as far from the exit. And twice as inconvenient. So, I'm gonna let you go with a message that I truly mean from the bottom of my heart. Get out. Just kidding, that was so rude. Let me try one more time. Please, get out. Watch your head, watch your step. Jungle side, gonna exit all the way to the back. Dock side to the front. Jungle side all the way to the back, guys. Watch your head, watch your step. Thank you. If you laugh, thank you for laughing. If you didn't, thank you for leaving.
If anyone has located a large uncut diamond weighing approximately 16 carats, we please return to the